There you go. See, he's full of truth, and because humans are slick and clever, we will major in facts. Meaning this, I ain't sleep with that girl, and God says, no, you didn't. But the truth is, you wanted to. I ain't take that money. No, you didn't take it. That is a fact. But the truth is, you plotted to do it. See, the truth versus the facts. That's what hurts, man. And see, you have to stop and say, ooh, it hurts. Keeping it real with yourself like that will get you healed. As long as you lie to yourself, you'll never get a breakthrough, you'll never get a healing, you'll never get deliverance. You always must agree with the truth. When God says, this is what you're really about, that's what you're about. God looks at the character, and the character is what you are and who you are when nobody's watching. The character is what's in that heart of yours. The character is what goes on between the 6 inches and between your ears. All of that stuff, he's in there going, that's the true you. And I'm telling you that because I know you better than you know yourself. You ever live a little? If you haven't, live a little. You'll find that you are prone to do stuff you didn't think you would ever do. As I get older, I'm like, man, I never thought I never even considered doing this when I was 19. There was stuff I'm like, man, I would have never did that. And at some point, you go, man, I'm thinking about it. One time, it was funny, man. I was riding down the street, and I just heard the enemy say, rob a bank. Come on, Satan. You could at least give me something tempting. You know what I'm saying? But for a second, if you broke, you might be like, man, I sure could knock off a bank right about now. Oh, wait a minute, Lord Jesus. You know, you never know what condition you can get put in to where you'll find something in your heart that you didn't know was there. It will pop up and you'll be like, man, you know. So God is always saying, I know you. And because I know you, I won't let you be sorry and end up going to hell and say, well, Lord, you ain't show me this about myself. You ain't give me a chance to get this right. When he's saying, I gave you the truth about yourself all the time. You refuse to get that right. And so, the truth, it says, grace and truth. John bare witness of him and cried, saying, this was he of whom I spake. He that cometh after me is preferred before me, for he was before me. So now he talks about Jesus didn't show up on the scene, and that's when he just entered earth. He's saying, man, he was way before me. Now, people probably thought John was crazy because John was older than Jesus. He had never met the Lord. This was his first cousin, but he had never met him. And all of a sudden, Jesus come on the scene, and he's like, whoa, there he is. He was before me. So he's saying, he was before me, he's preferred before me, and it says, John bare witness of him and cried,